Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by arranging and grouping the objects you want to animate so you can control them together. Add distinct images, text boxes, or shapes and position there on screen end state, then move duplicates or copies off stage to serve as start positions. Once done, open the motion pane and select the grouped item so you apply consistent effects. This reduces timing confusion and ensures overlap looks intentional rather than accidental. Make sure to name or visually separate items to speed up the next steps. Now apply specific animation effects to each element and explain why you choose them. Select entrance for new items, emphasis to highlight, exit to remove, or motion path for complex travel. Motion paths let you detail trajectory. Tweak duration and delay so actions feel paced. Shorter for snappy highlights, longer for focus. Use easing options to avoid mechanical motion. Ease in and out creates a natural feel. Once satisfied, preview the slide to confirm sequencing and visual hierarchy before final tweaks. Finish by sequencing and testing the whole animation so it reads smoothly to your audience. Reorder actions in the animation pane and prefer after previous for automated flow. Keep 1 or 2 click triggers when you need manual control. Preview in present mode and export as MP4 if you need a shareable video. If animations stutter or misalign, simplify motion paths, remove redundant groups, and reapply a single effect. This troubleshooting step quickly fixes timing glitches and keeps your presentation professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.